My name is Tanoj. I am studying in 10th class, Zphs palakurthy.
Hi everyone, myself Amrutcha. I am studying in 10th class. I am from Zphs palakurthy, Jangam district, Telangana.
Hi everyone, my name is Sharaj, 10th class, Zphs palakurthy.
Today my project is diffusion. What is the diffusion means? Diffusion is the movement of a liquid or gas from an lower area, lower concentration to higher, lower area concentration is the particles until they rise. It is called diffusion. The material required is one glass jar and one rod and one test tube, and this is copper sulfate in blue color. When we add this sulfate to this water, when we add this copper sulfate to this water, this is called diffusion. When we add this blue water to in this to water, the water is diffused. This water is total blue color. This is called diffusion.
Thank you.
Thank you.